anybody? Is those like? Is those? Those? Are those firemen? Are they firemen?
You know, they're SMUD. They're tree guys. And
Oh,
SMUD. They're hired by SMUD, the electric company, to come clean it up.